The camera is one of the core apps on your Galaxy S10. It comes pre-installed on your device and it's being updated through firmware updates. Recently, Samsung rolled out a major update to its flagship devices, the Android 10, which comes with an improved One UI 2.0. The update basically brings improvements to the device, but some owners seem to have encountered issues after installing it. Aside from performance issues, the camera reportedly started to close by itself without apparent reason. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if the camera keeps closing by itself after the Android 10 update. First solution, do the forced restart to refresh all services. When it comes to problems that occur after an update, the first thing that you have to do is the forced restart. It will refresh all the services and applications on your phone, and if the camera closes by itself due to a minor issue with the firmware, then this will be able to fix it. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds or more. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until your device has finished rebooting. Once the restart is done, open the camera to see if it still crashes or not. If it still does, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, clear the cache and data of the camera. Clearing the cache and data of the app will actually reset it. It is very important that you do this procedure because there's always a possibility that the camera crashes due to corrupt cache or data files. If this is just an app problem, then deleting the cache and data is more than enough to fix it. Go to the screen where the camera icon is located. Tap and hold on the icon until options show. Tap App Info. Touch Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now, tap Clear Data and touch OK to confirm. After the app reset, launch camera and see if it still crashes or closes by itself. Third solution, factory reset your phone. The fact is, a reset will always fix any app-related problems, including this one, provided that the firmware has not been modified in any way. So if all else fails, you should do the master reset. But before you actually do that, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data so that you won't lose anything. After the backup, remove your Google account just to be safe. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. When the reset is complete, set up your phone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide.